Hi guys, it's Janelle from Travis and Janelle. We just thought we'd let you in on one of our little secrets today on putting together our lightsaber bouquets. So we're getting married in August, and to keep things at a little bit lower of cost, we've decided to take on some projects to ourselves. So one of them is making our bouquets and using a lightsaber handle. So first you need to get your lightsaber and you need to cut off using a saw. You can use a pair of scissors as we used. Just to cut this piece off, and you'll still have a little piece remaining, and just shove it inside the lightsaber handle and you'll have no issues. So the next thing you need to do is go to your local hardware store and pick up a piece of dowel. We had ours already at 5 feet long. We've already cut it down just to save a little bit of time. So all you have to do is stick your dowel inside and you measure it with a line on how deep your lightsaber is. I will let you know, all lightsabers, as we've learned so far, are all different lengths. So you want to make sure you get the right length. Then you need to figure out, when you go to your local craft store and pick up your half spheres, these ones are 8 inches for the bridesmaids, and then I also picked up a 12-inch one for myself. So then you need to figure out the height difference from your bouquet to your dowel. So I just took it and I just measured a line, and that's where you need to cut your dowel. You want to make sure that your lightsaber base is at the same level as your cone. So once you're done with that, while you're at the hardware store, you need to pick up a little bit of this foam board 300. It's the only one that will actually glue to your styrofoam and not burn through your styrofoam, and it'll also adhere your dowel to your styrofoam. So I'm gonna have Travis come on over, and we're gonna do close-up so you can see everything. So once you've glued your post to your styrofoam, you just want to make sure and give it a good look that it's actually straight, so it's not on an angle. This is the time for you to adjust right now before it sets completely. So you need at least a good 1.5 to 2 hours to set it, but 24 hours is your best shot. So tune in next time, and we're actually going to decorate them. Bye!